Hi everyone, Wireless Productions here. We are going to open up a single disc ceramic clutch from McLeod Racing. We had installed one of these inside the CUDA, but we didn't have time to film it due to the track day that we just came back from. At the time, we were rushing and trying to get the T56 Magnum installed, and we didn't have time to fuck around with all that shit. But McLeod sent us two clutches. We're going to open them up. One's for the 73 Challenger build. The other one's a spare for the CUDA. We're a customer. We are a dealer from McLeod, and we're going to show you what you get once you order one of these. So here goes. Here's a screwdriver. I think there's some staples. I'll pop it open. These boxes just arrived. They're all sealed, but let's see what's in here. Yep, see, it's another single disc. We use a single disc because it's a lot lighter, and frankly, our motors don't make enough power to warrant a dual disc. So, but okay. So here's what's inside. You get a little warning label. These things you need a break in. I think it's 1,200 to 1,500 street miles. Oh, it says 400. No, 1,200 cycles. That's what it says in the application. You get a couple of stickers from McLeod, and they give you a warranty card. Here's some instructions, installation do's and don'ts. I don't know if you guys didn't see that. There's the instructions. There's a warranty card and some stickers as well. So that's nice. Main thing here is the braking period of about 500 street miles. That's stop and go driving, because they want 1,200 cycles to apply the clutch. To break it in, to bed it in, it's like bedding the brakes. But what you get is this beautiful clutch plate. You get a 26-inch spline to match the transmission. Here's some packing. Here's a clutch plate. And this is all made in US, so that's why we like McLeod. Nice piece there. And then if you have a GM application, you get this adapter thing for it. You don't really need it to use it for Mopars. If you're using a T56 Magnum 6-speed, this is just ancillary parts. If you guys need one of these, though, we can sell them for cheap. But some packing paper, and then here's the single disc ceramic disc. There you go. This actually looks a little different from the one we installed in the CUDA. They must have changed up their amoeba. Looks pretty beautiful there. Brand new stuff. New stuff's always good. 26-inch spline. Goes right in smoothly. When you install these, the basket, let me see, I'll show you guys. The basket, this portion of the clutch disc is towards the rear of the trans. So, so this is the front, and then this goes towards the engine. And this basket case where the springs are, this is towards the rear of the car, the transmission of the car. So, but that's what you get. We could open up the other one, the other box, but it's pretty much the same thing. But they're good clutches. Sometimes McLeod is a little slow to work with, but they're good clutches. We like them a lot. We use them in all our builds, and they last really long if you know how to shift right. So, but yeah, there he goes. That's pretty much it. Just a quick little video. McLeod, there you go. If you guys need to order one, we are, like I said, we are a dealer for them through our McLeod dealer. We can hook you up. We put all these in our builds, so trying to make as much made in USA stuff. But it's pretty much it. We could open the second one, but it's pretty much the same thing. You guys will see double, but I don't want to bore you with that. In any case, that's it for now. This is all our stuff for the 73 Challenger build. All right, guys. Rawless Productions. See you guys later.